Okay, made some updates to the 24 Road Glide CVO. The biggest thing is the lower fairings. I'd be interested in seeing you guys write some comments below on how you think they look. I personally think it's fantastic. I just think it makes the bike look really sharp. I know when they came out with the new design, they got rid of the lower fairings, and that was a little bit disappointing to me, but this looks, in my opinion, really good. But you'll have to let me know what you think. We put on the Klock Werks windshield, added a heated seat. We'll like that in the fall. It was 100 degrees yesterday here in Wisconsin, so we don't have to worry about that. Instead of the foot pegs, I also put on some Streamliner footboards for the wife, so she really enjoys that too. But what do you think of these lower fairings? I don't know, I love them. I think they really make the bike look sharp. Got the little vents opened up down below. And I don't know, just really like it. Little storage down here, see if I can keep it focused. Not that I would put much down there, but a little extra storage never hurt anyone. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks really, really, really sharp. I like it a lot. So let me know what you guys think. Take care.